Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is multi-skilled electrician. You can subscribe now, like and comment, and also share our videos as well. So today we are doing what we call installation of gadgets, electrical gadgets like sockets, switches, air conditioner, water heater switches, ceiling fans, ceiling lights, and there's a fan regulator. And so this one of the best days of an electrician because you don't have to work yourself hard and hard and hard. It's easy to install these things. Yeah.